Choosing a dentist for your child can be one of your most important decisions as a parent. Good oral and dental hygiene from early years can help ensure the development of strong and healthy teeth. If you're currently looking for a pediatric dentist, here are 5 things you need to consider to make the right choice. 1. Location. Ideally, you should look for a dental office in a convenient location so that you can get your child there fast when required. Also, take a look at their office hours and how they handle emergency situations. 2. Their credentials. You need to make sure that they are board certified and specialized in pediatric dentistry. This is to reassure you that they have all of the necessary training, skills, and experience that they need to provide reliable dental care for your child. 3. Technology. Ask the potential dentists about the technology they use. An ideal pediatric dental office should have updated technology and a kid-friendly procedure to make your child's experience as stress-free as possible. 4. Office quality. When you go into a pediatric dentist office, you should take in your surroundings. Is the waiting area clean and tidy? Are all of the staff members friendly? Do the waiting times seem to be long? 5. Interactions with your child. You will want them to like the dentist that you choose, so pay close attention to how well the two of them interact together to make sure that your little one is as comfortable as possible. Dealing with your child's dental health can be stressful, but choosing the right pediatric dentist doesn't need to be, as long as you keep these points in mind. If you're looking for a team of highly trained and board-certified professionals who offer the most advanced and comprehensive dental care for children of all ages by utilizing the latest technology and completely safe materials, contact us today to schedule an appointment.